Hey guys, have you had vultures where you live at? Check this out. Like, bruh, I ain't never seen vultures, buzzards come up in here. It's like so many just sitting there. Like, bruh. Like, seriously. Y'all hungry as heck. Like, really? Okay, so it's like 3 of them sitting over there now. And one just flew over to like my roof of my building. I think it's 3 of them. It's probably more. It looks like 3 of them over there. Like one just flew over to my building, so it's standing like probably more of them on my building. Like, why the heck they out there? Like, seriously.